In this video we will explain the Loft command in LusoCAD, which creates a solid from various cross-sections. Here we have some example cross-sections which we will use the Loft command on. Since we are working in a 3D environment, we use the isometric view. This shape consists of 3 shapes, a rectangle and 2 circles with various heights. Let's now use the Loft command. It will ask us to select each cross-section in order. Let's select all objects and press Enter. We have to select only cross-sections. As we can see, the loft was applied correctly. Let's now see what happens if we change the order of selection. These are copies of the same circles and rectangle, but we will do a different loft order. As we can see, the results are totally different. Next we will go over the path loft option. Here we have a spline with rectangles as cross-sections at the ends. It's important for the spline to be a complete line. Let's do the same Loft command and select both the rectangle and the circle. Now, press Enter and select the path option. LusoCAD prompts us to select the path line. We now see that the loft is adapted to the spline path. There is one last way to loft, which is the guide loft. In this example we have the same object as the path loft. The difference is that we have added 2 splines that run from a midpoint of the rectangle to the circumference of the circle. We repeat the process. When we press Enter, this time we'll select Guides, and now have to click on both guide splines to complete the loft. Here we have the result of all loft types available in LusoCAD.